Good morning, students. Today we see chapter 13, revision on chapter 13, SIP in practice set 13.1. We have to tell by which test the given two triangles are congruent and one-to-one correspondence between the two between the vertices of the given triangles. See in figure first, WZX, this is first triangle, and WYZ is the second triangle. See, figure is like this. This is WZX, second triangle WZY. This angle is congruent to this angle because same, and this side is congruent to this side, means WX, side WX is congruent to side WY, and this angle XWZ is congruent to YWZ. Now see here, this side is congruent because it is common in both the triangles. Therefore this side, angle, and this third side, two sides of corresponding are congruent to corresponding two sides of this triangle, and angle between them is congruent. So by SAS, side angle side test, these two triangles are congruent. Which two triangles? Triangle XWZ is congruent to triangle YWZ. By which test? SAS test. And one-to-one correspondence between their vertices is like this. This vertex X is congruent with Y. Then W is congruent, W one-to-one corresponds with W, and Z here Z. So one-to-one correspondence between the vertices is like this. XWZ corresponds to YWZ, and by SAS test these two triangles are congruent. See the second figure. In figure 2, right angle triangles are given. Which are they? What are their names? KIJ and LIJ. These are the two triangles which are right angle. See here, this hypotenuse KI is congruent to hypotenuse LI. This angle each of 90 degrees, so they are congruent, and this side is common, JI side is common in both the triangles. So by hypotenuse side test, these two triangles are congruent because they are right angle triangle, and we know that hypotenuse side test is useful in right angle triangles only. So in right angle triangle, triangle KJI and triangle LJI, they are congruent by hypotenuse side test. And one-to-one correspondence between the vertices is like this: Kji corresponds to Lji. See in figure 3. Figure is like this. Two triangles. Which are they? Name the two triangles. Right, H G E, and second triangle F G E. In these two triangles, which sides are congruent given? Say side HE is congruent to GF, side HG is congruent with EF, and this is third side which is common in both the triangles. So this third side is congruent. By which test these two triangles are congruent? Right, by SSS test. Triangle HEG is congruent to triangle FGE by SSS test of congruence. And one-to-one correspondence between the vertices is like this: FGE. See here, H vertex, one-to-one correspondence between H and F, E and G, and G and E. In fourth figure, the two triangles are given separately, and side two angles and side between them is congruent with two angles and side between them, the corresponding side between them, and therefore these two triangles in figure 4 are congruent by ASA test of correspondence. And correspondence between the vertices is SMA, one-to-one correspondence, OPT, and which test? By ASA test. See figure 5. Two sides are congruent, two angles are congruent, and angle N is also congruent. See which test is useful here? By AAS or SAA or ASA. You can say that these two triangles are congruent. Triangle MTN and triangle STN are congruent by SAA test, or you can use here ASA test. So in this way, there are 5 examples given in your book. You have to write these examples in your notebook as revision. Solve independently these examples. Try to understand the conditions in the given figure.